Hey guys, so I've got the authentic Vietnamese dish, which is the pho. So there's a mixture of beef, fish, and chicken right here. I'm gonna review how it tastes. So let's try with the pho first. The texture of the noodle is really good. It's cooked to perfection. Next, let's try the beef. The beef is really soft. It's not rubbery, it's not chewy, and if you guys who really like beef in a pho, you've definitely got to try this one. Next, we're gonna try the fish. The fish meat is really soft. The skin is a bit crunchy. It's really crunchy. You guys will definitely enjoy it. And last but not least, we've got the chicken here. Let's give it a go. Chicken is really soft. It's really good. It's really tender. Guys, I definitely recommend you guys to try this pho if you guys ever come to Fansipan.